Routinely, the state health department checks up on restaurants and other places where food is served. Violations are noted and follow-ups are done.
And a Fox 16 investigates. Tyler Thomason takes a closer look at some recent violations and the restaurants who have racked up quite a report card.
Yeah, 2 restaurants we're profiling tonight have combined for more than 160 violations in less than 4 years. 35 of those violations happened this year. On the outskirts of downtown Malvern, a cartoonish smile greets visitors here at El Parian Mexican Restaurant. But a close look at this eatery's Department of Health inspections might make even this frog frown. According to online records dating back to October of 2017, health inspectors have documented 89 violations at El Parian. 20 of those came just last month. On February 10th, inspectors noted employees didn't wash their hands before putting on gloves. Employees were also seen handling food with their bare hands. 2 weeks later, February 26th, employees were caught repeating the same violations, in addition to handling both dirty and clean dishes without changing gloves. Other observations last month include storing food at the wrong temperatures and storing raw meat near ready-to-eat foods. An inspector wrote, "Demonstration of knowledge of food safety not evident throughout the facility."
Our goal is the protection of the public.
Cherie Woodis leads the retail food program at the Arkansas Department of Health. She says her unit, which has extension offices in every county, oversees about 17,000 food establishments.
We get more every day.
Another restaurant that tallied a high number of violations so far this year is King Buffet in Heber Springs. It has racked up 82 write-ups dating back to August of 2016. 14 of those came this year, including employees cutting veggies without gloves, prescription meds stored next to food, and foods stored at the wrong temperatures. Woodis says the number of violations at an establishment isn't as important as the type of violations they are and whether they present significant health risks to customers, which could start the process of shutting a place down.
There's a process to have a restaurant to close down. Before we get to that point, we like to help the facility all we can to correct their violations.
And that was Tyler Thomason reporting. We did reach out to El Parian and Malvern, but management there declined to comment. We also spoke to management at King Buffet in Heber Springs, who told us they're working to try and fix the problems.